Hi everyone, I hope you all had a great Easter, weeks off the kids. I'm back. I haven't actually done any crafting really over that time, so I'm back doing videos. I'm going to try and catch up on some videos because, like I said, I've not been on YouTube for a while. I've missed out on a lot of people's videos, so we'll try and catch up on that in the next couple of days. So I'm back today to share a VR for Cheryl Simone Craft. She's got a challenge going on at the moment that she would like you to do a piece of like art. I will leave the links to her channel so you can get the measurements and the requirements. So this is going to be a VR for her, plus I'm going to share what I've made for her. And also it's going to be part of, because I used some of the dies for Lifescrafts, so it's going to be a video combined for them as well, because I used some of the dies that they sent me. So so what she's asking for is a piece of art. I think it had to be 5 by 5. I haven't got my ruler to hand, guys, but like I said, it'll be all on her YouTube channel, all the measurements and stuff. I am still working with limited crafts stuff at the moment. As some of you may know, I moved recently and a lot of my stuff is still in storage, so I'm limited, which is good in a way because I am using up what I have, and I'm also trying to not buy anything. I'm trying to use what I've got. So yeah, so it has been a bit challenging to find like ideas of things to go together. But anyway, so the papers I used in the background here is this collection. I think Hilda sent this to me when we did a swap. It's by Creative Scrapbook. It's got some really nice floral papers in there, so that's what the papers I used. And this is the gnome. So Lifecraft have some really gorgeous dies on their website, and this is the one I chose, the little gnome. It does come in a lot of pieces, so you have got a lot of different pieces like this. I won't take it all out, guys, but like I said, I will leave the links to their channel and also their website. You've got the little hand there. I have shared this in the previous video on unboxing the dies, so I'll leave that in the description down below as well, so you can check that out. So yeah, I put this little gnome together. I used some plain blue cardstock for his hat and his little trousers, and white for his beard, and then I used the pattern paper for his little top and his little shoes at the bottom. I think that came out really cute. And then the layered pieces, here I use this collection by Dovecraft, and it's called Sweet Moments, and it's this one. So it comes with a load of like pieces that you can paper piece together and layer and that. So yeah, so I used that. I didn't have I don't know actually, I might have it in storage, the actual papers that go with this, but this one just matched it perfectly. They kind of really went, it's the same sort of colours, and they really went really well together. So the tea time was a cut part from that collection, and then just put another like scone or scone, whatever you want to call them, on his hand, and then the jam there. So that's my entry into Cheryl's challenge giveaway. And then I just made a few extra little bits for her. So I'd already made this, and I would have shared this in a previous video on how I put that together and that. And I just put some little bits of washi and some sequins and some bows and things in there. So I'm going to send those to her. Yeah, so that. Then made another one of these little boxes. I have to hot glue this on there. I haven't hot glued that, but again, now the papers, and then the flowers, this flower here, I used again from Lifescraft, they sent me a set that came with a load of different flowers, as you can see. And this basket came with this basket and all these different flowers. So I just layered some of those up and made that flower, put some flat back pearls in the center of that. These are all the cut parts from that collection. I'm going to move that to one side. And then these little, what would you call these? I can't think now. Pom-poms? Yeah. Sue Kitten One sent those in some Happy Mail, and I've just put a few of those dotted around. And then inside I've crocheted some different flowers. Yeah, so I just crocheted some different, I've done sort of 2 different sizes. So like the pink and a large and a smaller one. And then this like lilac. So yeah, just crocheted some different flowers. I've put that in that little box, and that box is a Sizzix die. Again, I will link that down below as well, so you can check that out. And then the next thing, I made a card. Again, using that little gnome. I just used some different patterned papers. And then Sue sent me this when she sent me my pocket letter. And he's just holding a little ice cream, and it says no bad vibes. I just thought that went really cute with the papers and stuff. And then I'm just going to write my little message in there. So that's a cute little card, and it's a perfect sort of size to put on a card and project. Yeah, I really can't wait actually to use this gnome for Christmas. I think it would look really cute. You could put a little present or something in his hand. Or some little bells or something. Yeah, I just think it's really cute, and you can use it for any occasion really. You could even use it for Valentine's, it'd be quite sweet. And then the last thing I made for her was this little album. Well, it's a little album that houses like cards. I'll just move these to one side. So I didn't actually do any measurements, guys, for this. So I had these cards, pre-cards that are already made, what I used for this. I think I picked these up from the range, and they came in a pack. And so I made some cards, and then I wanted to gift them or present them in something. And I was going to make a box, and then I thought, oh, I'll just make this little album. So I kind of just eyeballed it. You again use those papers to make it. The only thing I didn't use, which I wish I did, was chipboard or something for the covers, because I feel like it would have been a bit more sturdier if it was chipboard. But yeah, so it just opens like this. It's got 2 pockets, and then inside I've just made, again out of using the same collections, the flowers as well, from those dies. Flat back pearls, so you've got that one. And then you've got this one. And these can kind of, I haven't written in any of these, so she can give these out as Happy Mail, or they could be used for birthday cards, any occasion. This one I stuck a load of little flat back pearls on there. It's got a cute little cupcake. So that's 3 in that pocket. And then I just decorated, don't know if you can see that, decorated the pocket using the cut apart pieces. And then they slide back in there with the envelopes. And then I'll do this side. You've got 3 cards again in this side. That one, just layered that one up, put some flat back pearls. And this one, I kind of, in certain bits, I used scrap pieces of paper that I had left over for making the album and that. That one, I mean, that could be used for like an anniversary card. So that's those. And then again, decorated this pocket. And then they just slot back in now. I'll just mind that flower. And then on the side, I put one of the paper clips, if I just take this off, that Sue sent me. I altered it, put one of these tassels on there with a little bow, attached it with a piece of ribbon, made it into a bow. I picked this up from the range, I think, this tassel, and then it's got other little charms on there, and it just slides on the side there of the album, and then she can always attach something else on the inside if she wanted to. And that's it, guys. That's my entry. I hope Cheryl likes what I've made for her, and please go and check out her channel. I will, like I said, leave it all in the description down below. Have an awesome week, guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye.